Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, it is part 2 of my OHM Beads preview day for the April launch. I'm very excited to be sharing with you 3 different collections that we'll be releasing on April 1st, and this is the second installment, so if you missed the first video, I will have a link up above the screen right now. I'm reviewing some amazing glass beads in that video, so make sure to check it out. But in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing 2 lilac themed beads that are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. It is very hard to pick a favorite bead in this entire release just because there's so many pieces I love. So if you are ready to see these 2 beads up close, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea and let's get started. The first bead I'm going to be sharing with you today is called Lilac Stoned. It retails for $110 US and it is so gorgeous, you guys. I love that OHM is using stones. And look at the detail and the faceted accents on it. It catches the light and it feels so amazing just like holding it, like the coolness to it. And look at the gold details in it. You have like these little bits of blue and black and lilac, of course. It is just spectacular. It is well worth the price, in my opinion. It is so stunning. I am actually debating if I want to get a second one or not because lately I've been really into asymmetrical designs and I'm kind of loving it on its own. Like, it's just so beautiful. And I do love pairing it with the other bead that you're going to be seeing in just a minute that's also releasing. This is like a 2-part collection, basically, 2 pieces in this collection. But just look at it, guys, like from every angle, it's so beautiful. Like, I love the pops of blue. And I've also really been into lilac, lavender, purples recently, actually pretty much for the past year. So I don't know, I'm obsessed with this. I think you guys are going to see me wearing it a lot. I have so many ideas I want to do with it. But basically, I kept it kind of like a simple design today on my retired OHM Beads snake chain bracelet, which you'll kind of see that design in a little bit. One of the designs that I also have on here is Love Grows, which you'll be seeing just here on my wrist. You can see a little peek of it, but here's the bead also, so you can just kind of see for size reference. So I do have it on my OHM Beads bracelet. It fits beautifully on there, and just, do you see how it just really pops out? It's a really nice size to it, and like, oh, how it catches the light. Can you guys tell I'm in love with this bead? This collection is just so beautiful. So here you can see Love Grows with the little swing detail, and then beside it I have Lilac Dreams, which is the silver dangle that's releasing. And it reminds me of a bead that released back in the April collection that I absolutely love. If you want to see that video and kind of figure out what bead I'm talking about, I will have a link to that video up above the screen right now. That video was showcasing the April collection for 2021. So here's a close-up of Lilac Dreams. It retails for $85 US. It is a beautiful size, you guys. It is a little bit bigger than the other bead I'm referring to. I actually should do a comparison. Actually, do you know what? I think Daily Charm Addict, Angie, she might have done a comparison video. I feel like I might have seen something on Instagram. So if I do, I'll leave a link in my description bar of this video where you guys can find that if you want to see something a little bit faster. But look at the bail detail with the little leaves. It's beautiful sterling silver, very shiny, and it just feels so lovely on the wrist because of how each of the little petals move. It just feels so special on. I think it would be a gorgeous pendant too. Would look beautiful on a necklace. And you guys, I just think they complement each other so well, like with the Lilac Stone, Lilac Dreams. I think if you are into asymmetrical like me recently, I think they do look so pretty just having the 2 of them. But you also could have Lilac Dreams as the centerpiece and 2 of the Lilac Stone between it. I think that could look beautiful too. But look at the little petals, you guys. Like, this is such a beautiful and sweet design. Really makes me think of fairies in the springtime, which for my outfit of the day, I decided to pick out Alina's bead, which I absolutely love, Stay Grounded, and I paired it with my OHM Australia fairy pendant necklace, which I love this necklace, by the way. It's like one of my favorites. I got it last year and I'm obsessed with it. So I wanted to kind of use that necklace for inspo, and then I went and added these bracelets onto my wrist, or these bracelets, the bracelet onto my wrist, and I just love how this looks. It's a very simple like design, you know, like nothing, you know, crazy about it or anything like that, but I just really love these little details paired with my little lavender lilac sweater. And of course I'm having matcha, you guys. Absolutely love matcha. Anyway, that is it for today's preview video of these two amazing beads. Please let me know what you think down below. OHM Beads, a huge thank you for sending me these two beads to review and style with. I absolutely love them and I cannot wait to wear them more. And if you guys are interested in ordering from OHM Beads and you haven't before, feel free to use my code Emily to save 10% off your first OHM Beads order. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.